Banned self-defense gadgets you will want to buy. Olympian Stun Gun. The Olympian is a 3-in-1 self-defense device from Guard Dog Security that combines a stun gun, pepper spray, and a flashlight into one compact handheld design. It is the world's first and only device of its kind, and it is one of the most popular self-defense devices on the market. The Olympian Stun Gun delivers a powerful jolt of electricity that can temporarily incapacitate an attacker. It also has a concealed stun technology that leaves no visible probes, making it appear to be a standard flashlight. The Olympian's pepper spray contains a high concentration of capsaicin, which is the main ingredient in pepper spray. It is long enough to disable even the most determined attacker. The pepper spray has a range of up to 16 feet, so you can stay at a safe distance from your attacker while using it. It also has a safety switch to prevent accidental discharge. The Olympian is a versatile and powerful self-defense device that can be used in a variety of situations. It is ideal for people who want a comprehensive self-defense solution in one compact device. AccuFire. AccuFire is an American company founded in 2014 by a group of experienced shooters who were passionate about developing high-quality, affordable optics. AccuFire's products are designed to be durable, reliable, and easy to use, making them ideal for hunters, competition shooters, and law enforcement officers alike. The company manufactures rifle scopes, red dot sights, thermal clip-ons, and night vision scopes. AccuFire's products are backed by a strong warranty and a commitment to customer satisfaction. The company is known for its excellent customer service and its willingness to work with customers to find the right optic for their needs. Folding Combat Axe. A folding combat axe is a type of axe that can be folded for easy carrying and storage. It is typically made of high-strength steel and has a sharp blade that can be used for chopping, cutting, and piercing. Folding combat axes are often used by military personnel, law enforcement officers, and survivalists. They are also becoming increasingly popular among outdoor enthusiasts due to their portability and versatility. Folding combat axes have some benefits, such as portability. The axes are typically much smaller and lighter than traditional axes, making them easier to carry and store. Versatility. The axes can be used for a variety of tasks, including chopping wood, clearing bushes, and self-defense. Durability. The axes are typically made of high-strength steel and are designed to withstand heavy use. This makes them a reliable tool for even the most demanding tasks. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to using a folding combat axe, such as cost. Folding combat axes can be more expensive than traditional axes. Complexity. They have more moving parts than traditional axes, which can make them more difficult to maintain and repair. Safety. Folding combat axes can be dangerous if not used properly. It is important to be trained in the safe use of folding combat axes before using them in the field. The VKS. The VKS Pepper Ball is a semi-automatic kinetic energy projectile launcher manufactured by United Tactical Systems. It is a non-lethal weapon that fires 68 caliber projectiles filled with pepper powder or other inert materials. The VKS Pepper Ball is used by law enforcement and military personnel to incapacitate suspects and rioters without using deadly force. The VKS Pepper Ball has a hopper capacity of 160 rounds and a magazine capacity of 10 to 15 rounds. It can fire projectiles at a velocity of up to 300 feet per second, with a maximum range of 150 feet. The VKS Pepper Ball is a highly versatile weapon that can be used in a variety of situations. It is effective at deterring and incapacitating aggressors, and it can also be used to disperse crowds. The VKS Pepper Ball is also relatively safe to use, and it has a low risk of causing serious injury or death. WATTOZZ. The WATTOZZ wireless electroshock weapon is a non-lethal weapon developed by Albayraklar Savunma, a Turkish defense company. It is the first wireless electroshock weapon to be commercially available. It can fire 2 darts simultaneously, increasing the chances of hitting the target and increasing the effectiveness of the electric shock. It is designed to incapacitate the target without causing serious injury or death. It is a valuable tool for law enforcement and security personnel who need to subdue a suspect or defend themselves from an attacker. The WATTOZZ is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way that non-lethal weapons are used. It is a safe and effective way to incapacitate an attacker without causing serious injury or death. Burger Custom Canes. Burger Custom Canes is a company that specializes in handcrafted functional sword canes and walking sticks. Their canes are known for their high quality, durability, and unique designs. All of their canes are made with the finest materials, including stainless steel, titanium, and hand-turned wood. In addition to their standard models, Burger Custom Canes also offer a variety of custom options. Customers can choose from a variety of handle styles, blade types, and engraving options to create a cane that is truly unique to them. The canes are not only stylish, but they are also functional. The blades on their sword canes are sharp and durable, and they can be used for self-defense or as a practical tool. Burger Custom Canes are a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, handcrafted sword cane or walking stick. Their canes are both stylish and functional, and they are sure to turn heads wherever you go. Fast Strike Gen 2. The Fast Strike Gen 2 is a self-defense product that is designed to be fast, easy to use, and effective. It is a small, lightweight whip that can be carried in a pocket or purse, or attached to a belt or keychain. The Fast Strike is made of a durable polymer material and has a weighted tip. It is used by flicking the wrist to deliver a sharp, stinging blow to the attacker. The small cross-section of the striking end transfers the energy of the device to a very small area on the target, which can cause severe pain. The Fast Strike Gen 2 is an improvement on the original Fast Strike in several ways. It has a new ergonomic grip that is more comfortable to hold and use. It also has a new, more durable cord. The Fast Strike Gen 2 is a versatile self-defense product that can be used by people of all ages and abilities. It is easy to learn how to use, and it can be effective against a variety of attackers.